Get more out of your recovery routine. Gold Standard Whey's got 24 grams of quality protein to help your muscles recover. There's more of you in you.
From Optimum Nutrition, this is their whey protein powder. 24 grams of protein in one little scoop. We've been using this for a long time. This is a brand new package, and I want to show you. A lot of people ask, oh, how much powder is in there? And it's actually it's well above this line, which is nice. It's not going to be deceiving. So let me show you the scoop. This is the actual scoop that is 24 grams of protein. So I'm just going to add this to my milk. Usually I do this in a shake, and my wife actually uses it with fruits, with the peanut butter add-on. This is the extreme milk chocolate mixture, and I'm just going to mix it up like that. You do not need a powerful blender to actually mix this and have it dissolve properly. And look at that, just within seconds, anywhere. Could be in the car, could be at the gym, could be at work, in the office. And I am done. I can use this as obviously a meal replacement, but you can use this just before a workout, and it's going to get that extra protein that we all need. So Optimum Nutrition, highly recommend, and it's delicious.